Absolutely. Here's a rewritten version of your script, transformed into a fresh narrative suitable for a 6-minute YouTube video, keeping it engaging and flowing naturally without headings or hashtags. NASA scientists have revealed something extraordinary. Transmissions from the interstellar object known as 3I Atlas are revealing behaviors no one expected. What began as a faint blur far beyond our solar system has now transformed into one of the most captivating celestial events of the decade. Not only is this object approaching Mars, but it's also surrounded by multiple fragments, turning a single interstellar traveler into an entire swarm. 3I Atlas was first identified by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, a network designed to monitor potentially hazardous objects near Earth. Its unusual orbit immediately marked it as interstellar, a visitor unbound by the Sun's gravity, drifting in from the vast reaches of space. Until now, only 2 other interstellar objects have ever been confirmed. The discovery of this third object, especially one accompanied by fragments, hints that our galaxy may be teeming with wandering bodies expelled from their own planetary systems, traveling across light years until chance brings them close to other stars. Astronomers have observed that 3I Atlas isn't alone. Faint companions and fragments orbit alongside the primary body, forming a miniature swarm. Whether these fragments result from outgassing, tidal stresses, or pre-existing clusters, they offer a rare window into the structure and history of interstellar objects. What was once a solitary wanderer now presents a dynamic, multifaceted system that challenges our understanding of celestial mechanics. The timing of its approach is remarkable. Mars is already home to orbiters and surface rovers equipped with instruments capable of high-resolution imaging and spectroscopy. For the first time, an interstellar visitor will pass near a planet already under continuous scientific observation. This creates an unprecedented opportunity to study the object in detail, far beyond what was possible with previous interstellar visitors. Instruments designed to monitor the Martian atmosphere and geology may soon pivot to track this fleeting cosmic visitor, capturing data that could rewrite our understanding of interstellar chemistry and dynamics. The fragments drifting from 3I Atlas are more than debris, they are messengers. Each particle carries information about the conditions in its home system, potentially offering clues about environments light years away. Spectroscopic analysis could reveal exotic ices, unusual ratios of elements, or even complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Should any fragments interact with Mars' atmosphere, they may produce brief but detectable meteor trails, allowing scientists to study interstellar material up close for the first time. From a planetary science perspective, this event underscores that cosmic encounters are not Earth-centric. Mars, with its thin atmosphere and advanced orbiters, becomes an unexpected laboratory. Even dust-sized fragments could be traced, offering data on composition, velocity, and density. The event also tests humanity's preparedness. Monitoring these small, fast-moving objects improves our ability to detect potential hazards in the future, whether around Earth, Mars, or beyond. The approach of 3I Atlas also highlights the endurance of interstellar objects. Its journey across millions of light-years subjects it to cosmic radiation, micrometeoroid impacts, and extreme conditions, yet it remains intact enough to shed observable fragments. These fragments carry stories of survival and transformation, demonstrating how interconnected star systems may truly be, sharing materials across vast cosmic distances. Culturally, this encounter has captured imaginations worldwide. Mars, a symbol of human exploration and ambition, now plays host to an interstellar drama. Images of fragments passing near the red planet are sparking curiosity, inspiring art, and provoking philosophical reflections on humanity's place in the cosmos. In classrooms and lecture halls, students witness science in action, learning about collaboration, observation, and the thrill of discovery. Technologically, tracking 3I Atlas pushes observational capabilities to new limits. Detecting faint, fast-moving fragments refines sensors, software, and modeling techniques that will benefit Earth observation, space debris tracking, and planetary defense. The event also serves as a rehearsal for future interstellar encounters, highlighting the value of maintaining a presence across the solar system and preparing to study visitors that arrive without warning. As 3I Atlas nears Mars, every observation expands the boundaries of knowledge. The swarm of fragments reveals complexity in interstellar wanderers, offers chemical insights into distant star systems, and tests humanity's ability to respond to rare cosmic events. Mars becomes both a stage and a laboratory, where Earth's emissaries can study materials from another system in real time. The event is a reminder that the universe is dynamic, interconnected, and full of surprises. It challenges our assumptions, fuels our imagination, and inspires visions of interstellar exploration. Each fragment is a messenger, each observation a step toward understanding our place in the galaxy. 3I Atlas is more than an object passing through the solar system. It is a moment in which humanity participates in a cosmic story, witnessing the vast, invisible currents of the Milky Way as they converge near our neighboring planet. So as we watch the fragments multiply and the red planet looms closer, we are reminded that discovery is both sudden and profound. The universe does not wait, but it offers glimpses like this, fleeting yet unforgettable, teaching us to remain curious, vigilant, and ready